if you're selling on Etsy or doing product research. Two tools you might come across are EverBee and ProfitTree. Both promise to help you find winning products and grow your store, but they're built very differently. So which one is actually better? Let's break it down. EverBee is a dedicated Etsy research tool focused on product validation, keyword research, and competitor analysis. It integrates directly with Etsy and lets you see estimated sales, revenue, and trending products, so you can spot opportunities quickly. The biggest strengths are its ease of use, beginner-friendly interface, and strong focus on Etsy-specific insights. It also has a free plan, making it accessible for new sellers. However, the data is based on estimates rather than exact numbers, and some users report accuracy issues or limitations in deeper analytics. ProfitTree, on the other hand, is more of a broader e-commerce research tool rather than being Etsy-only. It typically focuses on tracking product trends, analytics, and scaling strategies across multiple platforms. This makes it more flexible if you're not just selling on Etsy. The advantages are wider platform support, more advanced data insights, and better scalability for growing businesses. But the downside is that it can be more complex to use and less beginner-friendly, especially if you're just starting out with Etsy. So which one is better? Choose EverBee if you're focused specifically on Etsy and want a simple, beginner-friendly tool to find products and keywords quickly. Choose ProfitTree if you want a more advanced multi-platform research tool with deeper analytics and long-term scaling potential. Bottom line, EverBee is better for Etsy beginners and simplicity, while ProfitTree is better for advanced users and broader e-commerce research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.